My name is Brandon Garcia. This is my bike check. Now starting off with my frame, I've got an Eastern Tramp frame.
Shitty as hell.
Shut up. Integrated seat clamp. Getting the beacon for my birthday. Just to piss James off.
Which is me.
Got an
Because I have the other frame.
I have an animal seat post.
Looks like shit.
Silver.
Hey, pull it out since you can because you stripped your bolt. Notice it looks really crappy. Alright, next feature.
Okay, I got shadow. Point it this way, dumbass. Got a shadow seat, pivotal seat. Slim type. Animal bottom bracket, 19 mil. Really nice.
Notice you can barely see the shine because it's made of plastic and carbon. And notice that this kid is made of nothing but grease. Watch, I'm going to slide it out of his hair. See that?
Okay, now I got a duo tire, stunner tire. Because that's what Corey Martinez runs.
And there's this weird chick.
Animal Hamilton pedals, gold.
Ones that squawk like a bitch.
They don't squawk like a bitch.
They squawk like a bitch.
They do not.
Move on.
They do not.
Move on.
Shut up. I got East.
Back wheel? Back wheel? What is it?
Eastern Niner.
Let's just. What? Eastern Niner rim or wheel. I'm sorry.
It has unsealed bearings that will crack on a bitch as soon as he breaks it. It'll take a couple of weeks. Oh, and let's not forget his cool blue KNC chain. It's completely upside down. It's hollow linked. Can you believe it? Look at that. Look at that. It's upside down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's move to the front now.
Okay, Kink Empire forks.
Obviously.
Okay, we got an animal headset.
Fuck you.
Fly stem.
I don't care.
Kink Badger bars. Lightning spark.
Mine are better.
8 and 2.5 rise. Got Animal Hamilton grip. Right there. I've got glow-in-the-dark Eastern bar ends.
Shitty.
They're not.
They're shitty.
They're not.
Moving on. Was that real?